Oh, hello there. So you're looking to get more views on your YouTube channel? Well, then you've come to the right place. My name's Cairo. I'm going to show you how to install TubeBuddy, which is an amazing extension to Chrome, Edge, Opera, Firefox, and you can use it to find the keywords that you can rank for, the videos you can make, and it'll show you how to get more views on your YouTube videos. Now, first up, go to your web browser of choice. Now, hopefully you're using Chrome or you're using Edge or you're using Firefox, because TubeBuddy works on all of those as well as Opera. I don't think it works very well with Safari, but the cool thing is you go, let me just share my screen. Here we go. Okay, I already have it installed in Chrome, but I'll show you how to do it step by step. Anyway, you go to your search bar, you type in tubebuddy.com/install, press enter. There we go. That's pretty cool because you can add extensions from the Chrome web store to Microsoft Edge. So that is what you would be doing. Then all you have to do is say add to Chrome, add extension. Okay, so we've added the Chrome extension to the browser. Now you just have to click in the description, and the top link in the description, that'll take you to the TubeBuddy website. Right, so let me quickly show you the differences between the free plan and the paid plans. So if you click on upgrade now, these prices, I mean, it's pretty low in general, $9.19.49. I'm currently on the pro plan. Now look what happens if you click these magic buttons on the side. If you do have less than 1,000 subscribers, ta-da! You get 50% off. It drops down to $4.50 a month, which is pretty good. And if you pay yearly, ooh, even better, it drops down to $3.60 a month. So that's pretty amazing. This is the little TubeBuddy plugin button that will be enabled now that you've added the TubeBuddy extension in Chrome. This is the default view that you see. Now, just right off the bat, it's pretty cool to stay motivated because they give you little milestones. So on the free version, that's this one over here, you can actually download these little icons and it says, oh, okay, you achieved 2,500 views on the 15th. Oh, you also achieved 3,000 views on the 15th. You got to 20 uploads, and it shows you, it keeps you motivated by showing how far you are to go to that next point. So it breaks it down. You don't need to get millions of views, but this little bit of encouragement every 1,000 views, every few hundred subscribers really makes a difference to stay motivated, because it can be pretty hard being a small YouTuber. Anyway, the important stuff is all on this side over here, but we'll get to that in a second. Let's just say, just go to youtube.com. Okay, I'm feeling pretty hungry, so let's just do a search term for vegan food. Quite a broad, generic search term, but let's see what pops up. Right, so it's this sidebar on the right, the search explorer, that is really, really helpful. It shows you the search volume, number of searches per month, and the competition. So being in the green for search volume, that's really helpful, because it shows that lots of people are searching for terms like vegan food every month. Number of searches per month, also really helpful. Competition is super important because you're not going to be able to rank for videos that have incredibly high competition. So this term, vegan food, very, very high competition. That's why your overall score is very low. You're only getting 16 out of 100. Now this is showing your unweighted score. So if you're on the free version of TubeBuddy, you only get to see the unweighted score. You have to pay to one of the paid platforms like the pro version to see what the weighted score is. Now what's the difference? The weighted score takes into account your actual channel, the previous videos you've made, your niche. So if you were a new YouTuber, but you'd had 3 videos on vegan food already, your weighted score will probably be higher than someone who has never made a video on vegan food before. So we're going to dig into that in just a second, but it also shows you these helpful searches underneath here, as well as the tags that are most often used. So you can even copy these tags and use them in your video, which is really helpful. Now let's say we click on weighted over here. This pops up the keyword explorer. So this is the unweighted results and this is the weighted results. Now, this really helpful over here. It gives you other suggestions, more longer tail keywords that you might be more likely to rank for because they're less broad. So let's just click vegan food mukbang. Let's see what happens when we do that. What happens to the score? It goes from being poor to being good. So now you've got 59 out of 100. And as a YouTuber trying to grow with videos that rank well in search, you need to be aiming to get into the yellows or the greens. Orange is still kind of okay, but generally speaking, yellow and above is what you want to be aiming for. Now, if you look down here, it shows the search volume is being searched like crazy. The competition isn't that bad. It's still quite competitive, but overall, because the optimization strength and the search volume are in the green, it makes it a worthwhile keyword term to target. Now, what is optimization strength? Optimization strength just means that a lot of the videos that have been made haven't properly got the right titles, they haven't got the right description, they haven't got the right tags. So that's why you would be more likely to rank well for this term if you make sure that your tags and your titles and everything is on point. Now, one more key thing to note is that on the pro version, you get to see the weighted section. Now, because my channel, this is my $1 million hustle challenge, and that means I'm trying to get to a net worth of $1 million within the next 3 years. So if you want to stay part of the journey, make sure you crush the like button and subscribe and hustle together with me. Now, if I were to click on the weighted thing, my channel has nothing to do with vegan food, so I am likely going to have a very bad score when I click on weighted. Let's see what happens. I was not wrong. 10 out of 100, I would suck at making a vegan food mukbang video. But that's why using longer tail keywords, if you've never made videos on a certain topic, are really helpful. You can see in the video searches, this gives you a whole bunch of suggestions, but you can also see in the video topics section. To do that, make sure that you're only targeting a broad keyword initially. Let's say vegan food. Click on video topics and how vegan food is made. That could be a video. What is vegan food? Another video idea. How to make vegan food for beginners. How to make vegan food at home. Loads of ideas. So let's click on how to make vegan food at home for beginners. And look at that. My channel, Make Money channel, all about real estate, personal finance and stuff. I could rank for a term like how to make vegan food for beginners, even though my channel has nothing to do with that. So that's why TubeBuddy is really helpful in helping you find ideas that you could possibly rank for. And ranking for search is the single best way for YouTubers that are starting off or wanting to grow their subscribers to do that. That's how you get views and that's how you get subscribers. The single best way. There are lots of other ways. You can check out some of my videos in my channel that I've made on other little tactics to get more subscribers and more views as a small YouTuber. But using TubeBuddy and using videos that rank well in search is the single best way. Now, what is also really helpful is to batch all your keyword planning. So let's say how to make vegan food for beginners. You like that term. You're going to go to the action section and you're going to add it to your topic planner. So you just click that, saved to your video topics. That means that you have a list of all the topics that you think you can rank well for, and then it's much easier to crank out your videos when you have a whole list of what you're to do next. And here you can see your video topic planner. So if we scroll down to the bottom, there it is, how to make vegan food for beginners. And that way you can stay in check with your plans. And if you don't need that term anymore, you've finished the video, you can either delete it or complete it. This section, this homepage of the Keyword Explorer is helpful because it takes into account Google Trends. What is trending in your country? You can change it from the US to the UK, whatever you might need. So Goldie Hawn. Goldie Hawn is trending. So maybe if you were to make a video about Goldie Hawn, you might be more likely to rank for it if you were to make it in the next day or two. The MAGA March, that's ranking. I just made a video for my music channel about Lil Nas X because that's ranking. So this is a really helpful way to come up with video ideas as well. So let's go to this video over here and look at their Videolytics, and that is their channel analytics. So you can see here, this is the SEO score. So he's not actually ranking that well in terms of SEO. He's ranking well because he has 500,000 subscribers, right? But if you were to make a similar video that ranked better in terms of the keywords, you are likely to get onto the front page of the search results, and even quite high. As a brand new YouTuber, you can get into the top 3 of the search results by using TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer. So in terms of copying the tags, you can see the tags that he's using on this specific video, and you can easily copy them to use them in your videos. So that is a great little hack to try and improve your video ranking in the search results. Now, a good way to see if this TubeBuddy strategy is working is to go into your YouTube studio, your analytics, and you can see here under reach in the traffic sources type, it says that YouTube search is giving me 44% of my views. 44%. And that's because I, as a tiny YouTuber, am able to rank for certain longer tail keywords. And I totally recommend you do the same. So this is on my one channel. This is my $1 Million Hustle channel. I will also quickly show you how I'm using it for my music channel to also rank for certain keywords over there. Okay, so this is my music channel, The Curious Incident. If you want to go check it out, you can hear me sing. But I'm also using this channel to rank for YouTube search. Check this out. 45% of my viewers have come from YouTube search, and that is properly just down to me using the tool like TubeBuddy. And you can see, you know, I'm getting quite a lot of impressions, I'm getting unique viewers, I got a good click-through rate, and that is because I am appealing to those people looking for those keywords. So it's really helpful. You're, even on a thing like a music channel, you're able to rank for keywords even though it's super competitive. So regardless of what you're doing it for, there are ways to rank, and TubeBuddy tells you how to do so. So, are you excited to get more views, more likes, more subscribers? Just click the link down in the description. Get TubeBuddy. It doesn't matter whether you start off on the free version and then upgrade to the pro version or bigger version later on. Doesn't matter at all. It will really, really help you to get more views on your growing channel. And if you click the link down below and you do decide to upgrade to a paid version at some point, it's an affiliate link, so I would get a small percentage of that without it costing you any more, so you'd be supporting my channel as well. If this video was helpful, make sure you crush the like button and subscribe. Join me on my $1 Million Hustle Challenge. I'm going to be taking my net worth to $1 million within the next 3 years, and you can do something similar too. Now make sure you watch these videos next, and I will see you in my next video. Let's hustle together.